All right, so this is worksheet 26. Looking at number 22. Any guesses what u should be? X plus 1. Not the cube root of x plus 1, because then du would be a mess. So we want u to be complicated enough to help us, but not so complicated enough that du becomes a giant mess. In fact, this is really nice so far. So the inside of this stuff is u. So u to the 1/3. dx is the same thing as du. But it'd be really nice if I knew what x was equal to.
U minus 1.
So I can sort of change around what we already picked for u. X is u minus 1. And I can't integrate yet, because I can't integrate the pieces. So you can't say, well, I'll integrate this, and then I'll integrate this, and I'll just put it back together. It doesn't work that way. So let's distribute the u to the 1/3. U to the 4/3 minus u to the 1/3 du. And then integrating, so increase the power by 1, divide by the new power, increase the power by 1, divide by the new power. And then here's where things would get tricky algebra-wise. I think the answer key factors out 28 from the bottom to make it a common denominator type thing. I think I would just factor out a 3, u to the 4/3, and see what happens from there. Because they both got a 3, and they both have at least u to the 4/3. So this first one would be 1/7 u minus, so we took away the 3, we took away the u to the 4/3. The thing that's left is a 4th. So 3 times x plus 1 to the 4/3 times x plus 1 over 7 minus a 4th. And I guess you could get a common denominator and clean that up some more if you really wanted to.
Plus c.
I don't want to, but yes, plus c at the end as well. So that last little bit of algebra is sometimes a mess, but the point of that problem is that back substitution thing to fix that extra x that's left over. And yes, there is one like that on the test. Only one, but there is one, like 21 through 24.